Wake up. I wake up at 7.
Wake up. I wake up at 7.
Make the bed. I make my bed every day.
Make the bed. I make my bed every day.
Brush your teeth. I brush my teeth every day.
Brush your teeth. I brush my teeth every day.
Wash your face. I wash my face daily.
Wash your face. I wash my face daily.
Get dressed. I get dressed before breakfast.
Get dressed. I get dressed before breakfast.
Comb your hair. I comb my hair daily.
Comb your hair. I comb my hair daily.
Eat breakfast. I eat my breakfast at 7:30.
Eat breakfast. I eat my breakfast at 7:30.
Pack your bag. Don't forget to pack your bag.
Pack your bag. Don't forget to pack your bag.
Get in school bus. Get in the school bus and smile.
Get in school bus. Get in the school bus and smile.
Go to school. They go to school on time.
Go to school. They go to school on time.
Listen to teacher. They listen to their teacher attentively.
Listen to teacher. They listen to their teacher attentively.
Lunch break. I eat lunch with Sarah.
Lunch break. I eat lunch with Sarah.
Recess time. I play with my friends.
Recess time. I play with my friends.
Leave school. I leave my school at 3 p.m.
Leave school. I leave my school at 3 p.m.
Snack time. I eat my snack with my sister.
Snack time. I eat my snack with my sister.
Do your homework. I do my homework every day.
Do your homework. I do my homework every day.
Take a nap. It's good to take a nap.
Take a nap. It's good to take a nap.
Take a shower. I take a shower daily.
Take a shower. I take a shower daily.
Play with friends. I play with my friends in evening.
Play with friends. I play with my friends in evening.
Go to shopping. I go to shopping with my grandfather.
Go to shopping. I go to shopping with my grandfather.
Water the plants. I water the plants daily.
Water the plants. I water the plants daily.
Have dinner. We usually have dinner at 8.
Have dinner. We usually have dinner at 8.
Family time. I spend time with my family daily.
Family time. I spend time with my family daily.
Go on a walk. I go on walk daily.
Go on a walk. I go on walk daily.
Read a book. I daily read a book at night.
Read a book. I daily read a book at night.
Fall asleep. She falls asleep immediately.
Fall asleep. She falls asleep immediately.